Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up affiliate marketing with Wix. So for this, I am here on the dashboard of Wix. Now here in the left side, we have this app section and now go to app market. So once you are on app market here in search bar, search for affiliate and press enter. So you will find multiple tools here related to affiliate, like we have Amazon affiliate, then we have Golf Pro affiliate, then we have affiliate builder, Wix referral program. So I think we can go with Wix referral program, but if we talk about the rating, so this tool has more rating than others. So if we go with this program, open it and then click on add to site. So now it will start adding to your site. Now you need to give some permissions and then you just need to do a little bit editing. Click on agree and add. So you just need to do a little bit editing and your affiliate marketing is added to your Wix website. Now you can use it. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.